I used to think fairy tales were just simple stories for kids, but boy, was I wrong. Like, okay, we all grew up with these stories, right? But have you ever stopped to think about what they're really saying? I mean, come on, there's so much more going on beneath the surface. So, let's start with Cinderella. Because, who doesn't love a rags to riches story, right? But it's not just about a pretty girl getting a makeover and marrying a prince. And then there's Snow White. Don't even get me started on the whole fairest of them all thing. If that's not a metaphor for the beauty industry, I don't know what is. Now, let's talk about Little Red Riding Hood. You know, the one where a little girl chats up a wolf and nearly gets eaten? Yeah, that one. It's this whole thing about the loss of innocence and the dangers lurking in the world. And then there's Alice in Wonderland. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how trippy this book is? It's this whole commentary on the absurdity of adult rules and societal norms. Alice is constantly questioning everything, and that's the point. Okay, so The Ugly Duckling. This one hits close to home, doesn't it? It's not just about a swan who thinks he's a duck. Like, we've all had those moments where we felt like we didn't fit in, right? And then there's The Giving Tree. Oof. This one's a doozy. On the surface, it's about a tree that keeps giving to this boy until there's nothing left. But it's so much more than that. It's about unconditional love, sacrifice, and the nature of giving. Now, let's fast forward a bit to some more recent classics. The Cat in the Hat. It's not just about a weird cat causing chaos. It's this whole exploration of order versus creativity, and the balance between responsibility and fun. Dr. Seuss was basically saying, hey, it's okay to let loose sometimes, but you gotta clean up your mess. And then there's Harry Potter. I mean, come on. Well, we could do a whole series just on the themes in these books. But at its core, it's about the choices we make and how they define us. It's not about having magical powers. It's about standing up for what's right. The power of friendship. And love being the strongest magic of all. Being the strongest magic of all. Plus, you know, there's this whole allegory about racism and prejudice with the pure blood versus muggle-born thing. J.K. Rowling was sneaking in some pretty heavy stuff between all those wizard duels and Quidditch matches. So, there you have it. These stories we grew up with, they're not just kid stuff. They're packed with lessons, commentary on society, and some pretty deep philosophical questions. Next time you pick up a children's book, take a closer look. You might be surprised at what you find. And hey, maybe it's time to revisit some of these classics. You never know what new insights you might gain. Thanks for diving into this literary rabbit hole with me.